In today's video, I'll teach you how to create UniFi account. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in ui.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of UniFi. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to create the account, it is actually very simple. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the profile icon. Simply click on it. Now you'll be able to find the option for login and sign up over here. Click on the option sign up. Now you'll be redirected to the new tab. From here, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. All you have to do is create a username for yourself, enter your email and create a password. First of all, click on the field of username. Now create a username for yourself. Now after you do that, what you have to do is enter your email. Make sure to provide a valid email address. After you do that, also create a password for yourself. Click on the field of password. Now what you have to do is simply create a password for yourself. Your password must contain at least 12 characters, an uppercase letter or lowercase letter, a number or special character, sufficient overall strength. Simply create a password accordingly. Now after you do that, what you have to do is confirm the password. Simply re-enter the password. Now check on this box that you can see right over here. You're basically agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy. If you want to sign up for newsletters, you can also check on this box that you can see right over here. Now after you enter all the credentials, click on this option create account that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here a 6-digit code will be sent to your email. Go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail will be opened. UniFi will send you the email. Simply click on it. Now in this email you'll be able to find the code. Memorize this code. Go back to the UniFi tab. Now what you have to do is simply enter that code over here. Now after you enter the code, simply wait for a while. Now you can see over here your account will be created. So that is how you create UniFi account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.